guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have February's Globein Box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the February 2025 Globein Box has arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys know I absolutely love Globin. I love all of the products that they bring to us. They have amazing remote artisans from around the world that they get in contact with and bring them nice and secure to our own homes, and I love it. I literally have Globin in every single room, indoor, outdoor, from glassware to wind chimes to so many things in between. I love Globin. The great thing about them is you get to choose the 3 products that are in your box. There's always 3 products from 3 different categories, and I'm going to start showing you right here the first category that you can choose from. There's so many different ones. Like, there's so many different ones. Sometimes I literally have to figure out like, which one do I want? Do I want this? Do I want that? I think of things for myself, for gift ideas. And I believe if you don't want any of the items, you can just save your points to use for another box or for add-ons or to shop their shop. So you do have flexibility when it comes to their box. And I absolutely love that you are in control of what's in your box and you get to choose. So it always opens up on the 1st or the 2nd, depending on what type of member you are. My time here in Florida is at 9 p.m. So on the 1st at 9 p.m., I go in and I start screen recording to show you guys, and I choose the products that I want for my own box. So again, here I'm going to be showing you all of the different options for category number 1. We're going to go ahead and dive in. I'm going to show you what I chose. But again, I absolutely love that you are picking every single item inside. Now, before, years ago, you could choose between different sets, but you had no control over what was in that set. So you might only have wanted 1 or 2 of the items, where now you literally are choosing all 3. And I can't say how much I love that, because I just love Globin. So when we open her up, everything is always so protected down inside. So there's my 3 products. So for category number 1, I actually threw you guys probably off for the ones that actually checked the side to see what I picked, if you try to guess. This one, I'm sure I threw you off because I actually chose this for a friend for Christmas. Can you see what it is? Can you tell what it is? Oh my goodness. So I have a friend and she absolutely loves butterflies like I do, but she absolutely loves owls as well. I love owls, but I don't think as much as she does. So when I saw this, I'm like, oh my gosh, that's perfect. Because this year I'm going to be doing either for Christmas or her birthday, one of them is going to be an owl theme and one of them is going to be a butterfly theme. Hopefully she doesn't watch this video, or else hopefully she forgets at the end of the year. So this is going to be one of the owl pieces for one of the occasions. And I think that is just super cool. You can use it for anything, a catch-all drawer. You can stick it in a drawer, put it on a table, put your keys, your stuff from your pockets, or crystals. I thought of crystals going in there because I love me some crystals. This is valued for $43. It's the polished owl-shaped beechwood appetizer plate. Oh, it's an appetizer. It's an actual appetizer plate, you guys. You can put your condiments in here. You can put like olives or cheeses. You can do whatever you want in here. That's so cool. So you can either eat off of it or you can use it to put stuff in. It's a twofer. It's a multiple use item over here. This owl-shaped appetizer plate invites you to a delicious day of tasty delicacies. This beechwood piece has 3 compartments to allow practical use. Again, you can use it for anything, and every item always comes with one of these cards to give you a little bit more information about it, and I love that. So this is going to go to my friend. Oh my gosh, she's going to love it. And she can use it for whatever. If she wants to use it in her kitchen, in her bedroom, wherever she wants to use this for whatever her little heart desires, that's what she'll use that for. And I love that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start showing you everything for category number 2. While I talk to you about this card, you always get a card in with your packing slip. I love to show you guys this because not only are they really pretty, like this is the image for this month, but on the other side, it's handwritten and it says sent with love. thank you so much for your purchase. Sometimes it's actually written, well, most of the times it's written in 2 different languages. And I always tell you guys, I could barely speak one. For them to write 2 or at least one our language is just absolutely amazing. So attention to detail is spot on with this company. Not only do they package everything amazingly, but you always have a handwritten card in there as well. I just absolutely love that. Again, attention to detail. I always notice little things like that, and I love it. So for number 2, I'm going to show you what I chose for myself. And this actually, I did have the intentions of putting it in my crystal area. I have so many like loose little crystals, and I don't have anything like in mind of what to do. I want to rearrange my whole crystal area, and I kind of want to put them like color coordinated, like different little bins with different colors. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do yet. However, I want to do something. And so like the smaller ones, I would love to have little things to put things in so they can still be separated by color and give me a nice little display. So here's the card for this one. And the one I got looks like this. So it's not an actual shape like how I got her the owl. This is just 2 little trays, and I thought that would be cool because I can always put like 2 different variations, like if there's like teal blues over here and dark blues over here, or if it's in my white and black section or something like that. I just thought that that would be really neat for me to utilize 2 different compartments with different like little palm stones, or like the little chips, or like the little hearts or something like that to go inside of here. So this is what I chose, and it says Tasty Duo. I bet you this is an appetizer plate as well, which if I wanted to change my mind, I could always use this as a little appetizer thing as well, if that's what it's gonna tell me. It says Tasty Duo. Some delicacies are better tasted together. So yeah, that's what it's intended for. But again, you can use them for anything, or you can even stick it in a drawer for your catch-all, things that come home in your pockets, you can put in there. But it also says, in a world that is often filled, hurried, and impersonal, I hope to remind people of the simple pleasures found in handcrafted items. And that's why I really love Globin, because you are going to find the most amazing pieces. Sorry, I'm going to start showing you category number 3. You're going to find the most amazing pieces that you never knew existed. They're handmade. Most of them, like that are painted, they're all hand painted, or literally they're all hand done by remote artisans. And I absolutely love everything that I have received from Globin. So I love this box. Okay, you guys, so you're starting to look at category number 3. Let me find what I did with that one. It's down in here. This one, I don't know if I was going to keep for myself, or if I was going to put this in my friend's gift for the butterfly themed occasion. Again, I don't know which one's gonna be which for a birthday or Christmas. They're about the same, around the same time. So I'll pick then, but I thought this was absolutely beautiful, and then I can show you this as well. Oh my gosh, it is really, really pretty. You know, that kind of reminds me of the paper. Have you guys ever seen like the paper that has seeds embedded in them, and you can just stick it in the ground and moisten it and like seeds will grow? That's what this like fat material, I don't know what it is, but that's what this material reminds me of. Like it would have seeds in it, but it's hand painted with this butterfly print. This is a bookmark. So, oh, did I tell you? I don't think I did. The little Tasty Duo tray, I didn't tell you the price on that. Sorry, hold on one second. And it does say minimalist inspired, this right here, minimalist inspired beechwood appetizer plate, Tasty Duo. This is valued at $28. So it's what it's intended for. Both of them are appetizer plates. And then this one here is $16, and it's the painted flower and butterfly themed recycled paper bookmark, butterfly petals. And it's just made from recycled paper. That's why it looks like that. But to me, like I said, it just reminds me of the paper that has seeds in it. Hand Painted Realm will accompany you on those library adventures to surprising worlds. The artist draws inspiration from America's nature to create this eco-friendly bookmarker crafted from recycled paper. So that is everything that I chose for my box this month. Again, I chose mainly two different gifts, which A is this Oh, so beautiful. Look at that. And I thought it was actually going to be a lot smaller. And look, it's bigger than my dome. So this is really nice. So you have this tray, which you can use for anything. You have this tray that you can use for anything. And then you have a painted bookmark. Okay, you guys. So that is everything that I chose to customize my own box builder for the 3 items. Once you do choose those 3 items, you can stop there and just continue your box, and that's what you will receive. Or they do have an option where you can do some add-ons at a discounted rate. So you can go through and see all of the different items that you can add on if you want to add them on for an additional fee. Or again, you can just stop there, pick your 3 and save your box, and then there's no other additional charges. So you do have that option to add on if you see other things or you have other ideas in your mind for yourself or for gift ideas. So I love that you do have that option to get them at a discounted rate, or you can shop their shop at any time. If you are a member, the perk is having a 20% discount anytime you shop their shop. But if you don't want to go straight to a subscription to get that, you can use my code SheCrafty, and that will get you 20% off their artisan shop without having a monthly subscription. So if you just wanted to purchase a few items, you saw some stuff, or you want to look for a few things for yourself or for others, again, without a subscription, SheCrafty will save you that 20% off if you are interested. If you like some information about the actual subscription, I will let you know right about now. You can do a 3-month is the lowest subscription. They don't do month per month. It's 3 months at a time. You'll love those 3 months though. The 3 months, it's $40 per box. If you want to save some money, you can go to a 6-month subscription, locking in $37 per box, or a full 12-month term will bring your box price down to $35 per box. Again, I love that they go and they find these amazing remote artisans, handcrafted work that's absolutely breathtaking. You get to choose your items for yourself, and I absolutely love that. So they will be listed down below in the description box along with my code if you wanted to shop the shop without having a subscription. If you'd like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and then you can see all of the different videos that I do. I do so many different types. If one pops up that you're not interested in, no problem, skip it until you see one that you do. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. What did you think of the items? Did you guess any of them right that I would have picked? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.